Dear viewers, today we study the green photosynthetic bacteria. The green photosynthetic bacteria contain instead large amount of bacteriochlorophyll C and only minor amount of bacteriochlorophyll A. In these bacteria, bacteriochlorophyll C functions as a light harvesting pigment and is present in separate structures called chlorosome that are found attached to the inner face of cytoplasmic membrane. The photosynthetic reaction centers of green bacteria are localized in cytoplasmic membrane. The light gathering systems are mainly localized in chlorosomes. Besides bacteriochlorophyll C, some species may also contain bacteriochlorophyll D or bacteriochlorophyll E as antenna pigment. The two families of green photosynthetic bacteria are the green sulfur bacteria and the filamentous green non-sulfur bacteria. The green sulfur bacteria are small unicellular anaerobes belonging to the genus Chlorobiaceae. The filamentous green non-sulfur bacteria belong to the genus Chlorophlegiaceae. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.